John owns stocks in 9 companies and he has 21,000 stocks. The question is, does any one of the companies has 3,000 or above number of stocks? So see 9, 21,000, the average turns out to be around 2,300 something. The question is whether any one stock is more than 3,000 in quantity. Okay, and it's given that no two numbers are the same. Okay, statement 1 gives very little information. It only says that C is greater than all other, but C is less than A and B. So see, the average is something like 2,300 or something, which is a very small average. One company may have 2,300, the other may have 2,301. There are lots of possibilities, you know. So even if C has A and B, all the numbers may still be less than 3,000. So this definitely doesn't help. Statement 2. Statement 2 says that C is less than 20% more. So if for any other we know that okay, there's C and there are other, let's say A to J are the other, our total 10 stocks. Out of C is 1. So out of these other 9, this statement is saying that C is less than 20% more than the highest of it. Suppose let's assume that A is the highest of these, then C is less than 1.2A. This is what statement 2 means, that whichever is the highest of this, still C is less than 20% more. So C is less than 1.2 times of this, you know. So still you don't know, the average is around 2,300. Let's assume that the highest is around 2,400. 2,400 into 1.2 would be something like would be less than 2,900, you know. So C has something which is less than 3,000, but but we don't know whether the highest is 2,400 only. If it is 2,400, the C has to be a maximum of 2,900, which leads to an answer of no, that no, none of the stocks here can be more than 3,000 in number. But if the other highest number happens to be not 2,400, it happens to be something like, let's say, 2,700, then C can go up to, you know, 32,000, sorry, 3,200 plus. So in this case you will get yes as an answer. In this case you will get no as an answer. Yes and no both are possible, therefore statement 2 is also not sufficient. Combining does not help much because the same condition remains, that okay, even if C were not the highest, A and B could be higher than this, you know, and this doesn't help. This is not helping us eliminate the reasons for which A and B could be more than 3,000 plus, the reasons we discussed here. So even combining does not help, and the answer therefore is option E.